This is TWiT.
Now, this is an auspicious birthday, not merely because it is the day of Paul's birth 59 years ago, but it is also the day of Microsoft's earnings.
Yeah, which we may or may not get because Microsoft's infrastructure is down.
Oh, no.
And I can't
Is it running on AWS?
Yeah, no, it's running on Azure, which is down. So AWS was last week. This week, maybe next week it will be Google Cloud. I don't know.
Oh, that's not good.
So we'll see what happens. But
you mean down?
yeah.
Is there an Azure status page or something?
Try to go to Microsoft.com and you can see how down it is. It's not doing good.
What else gets shut down? Does Teams get shut down then? I guess it does.
A lot of Microsoft 365 is down. Richard was saying before the show.
I can't get into Loop.
It's down. So Richard and two other people noticed Loop was down.
Yeah, both of us are really angry about it.
Yeah. In fact, they would be writing notes to each other right now, but they can't because it's down.
You have to sign in.
I
think that's a flaw, right? Because now I can't sign in because Microsoft is down.
Yeah. Well, this thing is hopefully is running on AWS, so maybe it's okay.
Do you think there's a special Azure for? Okay. Everybody now knows my number is 18.
I had to quickly rewrite my whiskey notes because I couldn't get to Loop.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, fired up OneNote and redid them.
Is there some reason you write those in Loop?
Yeah, I hate myself.
Thank you. And I appreciate that because he saved me from saying it because whatever he said next, I was going to say that. But
so this is also a kind of a little double indemnity thing. I can't sign into Microsoft Authenticator because I haven't signed into Microsoft Authenticator on my phone.
Yeah,
and
which you can't sign into because of Microsoft. Yeah,
I know.
It's a virtuous cycle, Leo, as we say in the industry.
Oh, this is funny. I opened Microsoft Authenticator, said sign in, and now it says check Microsoft Authenticator. But
I am Microsoft Authenticator.
I'm in but
I think they mean on a different device. But
I don't have a Windows device.
You don't have like 3 phones with Microsoft Authenticator on it? Come on, man. Get with the times.
Slacker.
Times.
But at least my account's now back up to iCloud. What?
See, this is why the cloud is nonsense and we're all going back on-prem, he says, from 18 years ago.
Listen, I'm going to go get a metal stick and a rock, and I'm just going to start writing in the stone because that thing seems to have the best battery life of the bunch.
Wow. Yep.
Plus that's what happens. You know, it happened last week when AWS was down. It'll happen again this week because of Azure. People say, well, you see, I told you the cloud's no good. You can't rely on the cloud.
Oh, you get this. The Chicken Little comes out every time when there's any problem. See, this is why I don't use the cloud. This is why? Really? Oh, well.
Last week it was DNS. And I think Ars Technica wrote, it's always DNS.
It's always DNS, yeah. It's also always human error, right?
Yeah.
Actually, it was interesting. The AWS, when we had a nice long conversation about it on Sunday on TWiT, Richard was there, was a race condition. It was kind of an interesting, unusual bug where 2 processes were in a race, and it was like
it's supposed to be handled by the kernel. What's going on?
Yeah.
Well, the first one should have killed itself the moment it realized the second one came into instance, but it didn't.
Right.
So,
it's because it's sentient now, and it's like, nope, not doing it.
Not gonna kill myself. I live.
It's not a thing.
I live. So
I guess we're doing quarterlies next week, is what you're saying.
Do you think that's what'll happen?
I mean, it could come back. The show goes on for a while. We'll see what happens.
That analyst call will be interesting, though, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. It will be a little. Yeah, it's like
except they do it over Teams. So is it going to happen at all?
Oh, wow!
They do it over Teams.
Wow.
Not anymore. They don't. I guess. All right, we'll see.
Do it over Google Meet, or if you really want to be funny, FaceTime.
That would be the best. Yeah, that would be the best.
Bulletin from Microsoft to all analysts. We're going to be
using a Google logo. I see.
Yeah.
Let's use Skype. Oh, never mind.
Zoom account.
Yeah, Zoom.
Yeah. Skype. Let's get Skype going again. How come there's so much spam in here?
Is that you blowing on the Skype keys?
Yeah, blowing the dust off the Skype.
All right. Well, we'll look forward to those earnings. Is there anything particular we should be looking for
The only thing I care about is how much they spent this quarter on AI infrastructure, and it's going to be between $25 and $28 billion is my guess, but we'll see.
Yeah.
And probably, it's going to be another 25 billion in net. And they are actually going to run out of cash in a couple of years at this rate, but it's going to take a couple of years.
Yeah. Well, there's a big shell game occurring right now in big tech, which is like spending money no one has, but you just round robining it around the industry. So it's, I guess, as the valuation of every company goes up, we all made money. Yay. And which is what big tech is now, right? Just money managers.
Well, and to be clear, they started this with OpenAI in the first place. Like, hey, we're going to invest $1 billion and you're going to buy Azure with it. So now we have an investment and income.
That's what NVIDIA does. That's how NVIDIA got to a $5 trillion company. Yeah.
That's what they're all doing. OpenAI, that's their whole business plan. Now AMD is doing it. Apple's doing it. Intel did it. Everyone's doing it. We're just... throwing out numbers.
We will get
essentially the symbol of a bubble is once you start doing this, you're at the bubble edge.
Yeah. The problem is these companies have more money than God. So, I was saying to my wife, like, we'd call this a pyramid scheme, but a pyramid is a very simple shape. And this is, in fact, a multi,
Well, the pyramid goes all the way down is the problem. It's
it's the tip of the iceberg.
No bottom.
Somebody asked me, so what's going to happen after the bubble bursts? I says, I'm betting GPUs will be cheaper.
Yep. We're all going to be playing Call of Duty at 120 frames a second. It's going to be great.
Actually, NVIDIA's going all into, they have a lot of stuff. They have the self-driving vehicles. They're really pushing that now.
Yep.
And of course,
that's like saying there's Count Chocula's, candy bars too. Like, I guess they're in different things, but like, I just, whatever,
Oh man, I'll tell you. Paul has dropped the. When you said red box, for some reason I thought like it was a red computer. It's actually a blood red announcement box. Oy.
Yeah,
that's blood red.
My browser was in dark mode, so it might be a little lighter usually.
It's dark,
but
man.
Yeah, it's dark. Yeah, it's blood red.
Starting at approximately 1600 UTC, which is this morning at 9 a.m. a couple hours ago. Customers in Microsoft services leveraging Azure Front Door after may have experienced, which is also the right-wing party in Germany, I think, may have experienced latencies, timeouts, and errors. We've confirmed that an inadvertent configuration change, there you go,
human error,
was the trigger event for this. It was inadvertent. We didn't mean to bring Azure down.
Yeah.
It was inadvertent.
We were just trying to fix the CrowdStrike thing. I don't know.
They also said they were reverting and it'd be a half an hour, and that was 2 hours ago. And they still say no DTA.
Customers, you might want to consider supplementing failover strategies using Azure Traffic Manager to redirect traffic from Azure Front Door to your origin servers.
Maybe Microsoft should have done the same thing, because then their site could come up. Good advice.
Maybe there's more than just a broken front door. Maybe the front door is locked, but there's no one home.
I feel like it's a hurricane went through or a tornado, and the only thing left is the door. It's like a frame of a house and there's nothing else. I don't know what's going on.
Jeez Louise.
That's not good.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this little highlight from a much better show, and longer too, called Windows Weekly. The whole link to the show is right below me. And of course, we stream live right here every Wednesday. You can watch us do our thing or download it here or in your favorite podcast player. Best thing to do? What do they say? Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.